Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and let's talk about the obvious first. Yes, my hair is shorter. It is darker. I decided to do something a little bit different for fall because the blonde, while it's beautiful and it will always have a place in my heart, it's hard to keep up. It's hard to maintain, especially like in my day job. Like the minute you get a little bit of a root showing, like you need to go and get it fixed. So I figured I would do something a little bit darker for fall, and then I just cut off, I didn't cut it, my stylist Kaylee cut the like dead part, not really dead, but like it had kind of started thinning at the bottom, so she cut that off, and it's just like so cute. Like I feel like I look, I mean, not when I do that, but I don't know, I feel like I look younger, which is my goal in life always, you know? So let me know what you think about the hair in the comment section down below. If you hold on. Oh God. If you follow me on Instagram, then look at this. I can't even show you the whole box. Then you've already seen this box because it came in the mail. Oh, hold on. So when the box came, I could see it like driving past my house, like going into the garage. I could see it on the front porch, and I was like, is there a person on my porch? Like, no, it's your trunk club box. All right, so I've already tried everything on in this box because I got so excited because of some of the brands that are in here that I know I like, or brands that I've never tried. So I'll show you the pieces and then we'll cut to me trying them on and kind of my thoughts about each piece. The first thing that I want to try on, or that I want to show you, oh y'all, these are a pair of Good American jeans. Now, Good American is Khloe Kardashian's brand. I've known this for a while. They've got a little bit of distressing in them. Also, the ankle is like super tight and it's a little distressed. I've heard about this brand before. I've never tried it because it's quite pricey. These jeans are $175. They're the good waisted, the good waist raw edge skinny jeans. And I'll just let you see what they look like on. Okay. Y'all. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. I know, like, I'm in awe right now of how these just like suck like, look how good like my hips look. And I love that they're just so high-waisted. Like I thought they were going to be too small because the waist was so like cinched in, but it's because it's like my belly button is right here. So it's a good inch or two above my belly button. And they're the perfect length. Let me see if I can, yeah, look. Y'all, oh man. Oh man. Do I need these? I know y'all are going to be honest with me. I feel like this pulls a little bit right here. But it's not something that like bothers me that much. Y'all, oh man. What am I gonna do? These are $175. All right, on to the next thing. This is a like cream colored Vince Camuto top. Y'all know I love Vince Camuto. This is in a size 2X. If I didn't say, the jeans are in a size 20, and you know, they fit real good. Okay, so this is in a size 20. I mean, excuse me, in a size 2X. I love the little like flutter, like bell sleeve detail. It fits perfect. Y'all know I kept a Vince Camuto top in my last trunk club that I really, really liked. However, this one is $99. It's just a little bit pricey for me, but I could definitely get a lot of wear out of it. I kept a Vince Camuto top from, I think it was my last trunk club, and it was like a bubble sleeve, light blue that I love. This one is also great. I had it tucked in my pants. Stand by. There we go. This one is also great. This is a perfect fit. It's a little see-through. You can tell like my jeans and then nothing, but that's the problem with Trunk Club. Like, they send you such good stuff that you're like, I need it, but do I really? I do. This is nice. Y'all know I've been into cardigans lately. I just did a video at Walmart where I tried on that yellow one. All y'all told me I needed to go back and get it. I went back and they didn't have my size. So If I still really want it that bad, I need to order it online. But this is a beautiful gray. The brand is BP. It's in a size 2X. Just a gray cardigan. I love that it's a little bit longer. It's got the pocket detail on it. Where is it? There it is. It's got some pocket detail. I think it's a little bit snug for a cardigan. I just like them a little oversized. But I don't have a gray one. I have a burnt orange one and I have a green one. And I would have had a yellow one, but they were sold out. So I could use a gray one. Let me know what y'all think about the sizing. Oh, if I didn't say, this was $49. Okay, I like this so far. I like my cardigans to be more oversized. You know, like, I like the length. That's not what I'm talking about. Like, it's a great length, but I feel like it just kind of stops. Is it supposed to be like that? Like, stop on the side? Like, I would almost rather be able, like, be more oversized where it could, like, cinch in. You know? Does that make sense? I don't know. Let me know what you think, because this is the cheapest thing in the box. This is $49. Now let's move on to these black, like, boot cut. They're from the brand Curves 360 by NYDJ. Size 20. I love that there's no button. It's like an elastic waist, like you pull them on. I absolutely love that. I don't like that these pockets in the front are fake. I wish they were real in the front. They are real in the back. The boot cut I think is nice. I don't own a black pair of boot cut jeans like this. And they're actually long enough, which is nice. These will run you $119, but they're really good quality. They say pull on skinny boot cut. Okay, so these are definitely comfortable. They're a little bit snug in the waist, but they don't button. So I feel like they would be very comfortable. I like the flare leg. I like that they're long enough. Like, you could wear these with boots. Like, you could do so much with these. I like them. I like them. I don't have anything negative to say about them. I think they're flattering. I think that they fit perfect. I mean, okay, so they look a little long, but I would wear them. Hold on, let me hold on to the wall. I would wear them with boots or like heels or something. The last pair of bottoms that I have are these like dress pants. It's called, the brand is Alex Evenings, and I believe they're in a size 20, just to be clear. 2X, it says 2X. So they zip in the back. However, I couldn't get them to zip on me, so you're not going to get to see me try these on. I like the idea of the zip in the back. I don't like pants without pockets anywhere. So there's no, right, no front pockets. Yeah, there's no front pockets. There's no back pockets. It does have a little bit of pleating in the back, but I couldn't get them to zip. So like I said, I didn't try them on. There is elastic in the waist. And they're like just a wide leg dress pant. But I think they're $99. Is that what it says? Yeah, these are $99. But yeah, I couldn't get them to zip. So we're going to move on. Let's talk about a couple tops, okay? Like, Trunk Club has been killing it so far. Like, I get it, it's a little bit pricey, and that's the only thing that's holding me back. But they've got such great pieces. So this is a Sanctuary brand, like, thin heather gray sweater. It's in a size 2X. It's got a little bit of a bubble type feature on the sleeve. This is so soft. It's like just thin enough to where like you could wear it when it's 60 degrees, or you could pair it with like a leather jacket or something when it's a lot cooler. I don't know. I just really like the feel of it and the look of it. This is $69. It fit pretty good too. This is so cute. I didn't realize it had this like little catch part right here. This is so soft. It's almost like a thinner sweater material. My pants don't have pockets. You'll see those. If you haven't seen them yet, you'll see them in a minute. I like this. I mean, I don't have anything negative to say about it. I mean, it looks a little snug for my taste. Y'all know that I like things more oversized. But it's a good just like throw on for the day, like when it's cool outside, throw it on, wear it out, and you're good to go. Next top is this beautiful wine colored. I think you can wear it off the shoulder or on the shoulder, but it's got these, like, look how cute those sleeves are. Like, it cinches in a little bit and has like a little bit of a flare frilly type thing. I'm great at descriptions, I know that. But this one fit really well too. I think that it, like, the quality is so good. This one is, I want to say $99. Yeah, $99. It's called the Ruffle Trim Square Neck Blouse. They call it red, but I think, I mean, it could be, I guess, but it's more of like a wine color. But it's pretty. I mean, it fit really well too. I don't think that I hate anything. Like, this is more of a dark wine, and it may be coming off that way on, like, when you're watching it, but for me in the viewfinder, it's a little bit red. I know, like, my camera can't quite focus on it. I love these, like, little sleeves. You could do it off the shoulder if you wanted. So, what do we think about this one? And the last top, we've got a couple dresses and a couple pair of shoes. So the last top is this black one by One State. I think it's meant to be a little bit tighter. I love the neck. I don't know if I'm even doing it justice, but it's got this beautiful pattern on it that when I tried it on, it came off a little see-through. I don't think it's that see-through in person. I think it's just the lights. It's long sleeve. It's a little fitted. It's like in my head, the perfect black, like little top to wear to work or with like a pair of jeans, but I don't think it looked that great on me. So I'm a sucker for a good black shirt, but this one I think you can see through it because of my lights. It's a little bit too snug, I think, in the chest area and maybe like the lower stomach. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have anything else. My arms are a little too long for it. It's a little snug. It's a beautiful pattern. Like, I love the detail on it. It's just, it's a little bit too tight. If I didn't say, this one is $79. Now let's move on to dresses. This one, I know I just had, what, a D&Co box that something in it I said reminded me of my mom. This one, she would rock. This is almost like that houndstooth print. It's from Michael Kors. It's hard to show because it's like a long, like peasant-y type dress. It's 150 bucks. It's in a size 2X. It's super soft. It's a little heavy, but I think it's really good quality, and that's maybe why it's a little bit heavier. All right, I'm filming this way because my camera won't pick up the full length. But this is, the fit is different. It reminds me a little bit of like a peasant-y type feel. I don't hate it. It's very soft. It's very comfortable. It's just, I don't know if it's me. You know? Yeah, I think that's the best way to describe it. I don't know if it's me. I feel like it's very slimming though right there, and then with these like creases or like the seams. And my last item of clothing is this beautiful blue Elijah J dress. It's in a size 18W. Hold on, let me get it situated and I'll show you. It's a little bit low cut in the front, but then it has, look at that. Where is it? It's like a little knot feature. And it's so pretty. This one is hard to show too because it's a dress, but it's a little bit shorter. It's got like a wrap detail feature to it. It's 138 bucks. Funny story about Elijah J brands. I did Gwenny for a while when I worked in TV years ago, and they would send quite a few Elijah J dresses, and I loved them. And I never realized until this moment, like talking about it, how expensive they are. 138 bucks. So it's good quality. And this one is a beautiful color. It's a little snug, you can tell right there. But if it wasn't, look how cute. This is so flattering. I love this little piece that like kind of wraps over. However, it's, I mean, I guess I could wear some shapewear. This is so pretty. This reminds me, I mean, it's a little low cut, but you could wear it to like a wedding, or if you want to wear it to work, just put like a little cami or something under it. I love this knot feature. And now to the last things, 2 pair of shoes. These, let me get them situated. Look how cute they are. These are called the Norma Waterproof Booty. Waterproof. These are adorable. It says Blondo Waterproof. Yeah, waterproof. These are $149.94, I think. They're a size 9.5. I didn't know they were waterproof until I was reading the description, and that makes me really happy because this type of material you would, or it's almost like a suede-ish material. Like you would think it would ruin easily in water, but to find out that they're waterproof kind of makes me excited. Like the heel is perfect. Like 150 bucks, I don't think is a bad deal. These are cute. I have a pair of these in like tan that I wear out of style in the winter. I like these. They're not too high, like the heel. I like that little slit right there. They're very comfortable. And the last pair of shoes, I couldn't try them on. They're too small. These are the Free People brand. They're in a size 39.5. I don't really know what all that means. But apparently, from my stylist, the note says that these are really popular. And here they are. So I think they're called, let me get the exact name because I may just, they're called the Royale Pointy Toe Flat in brown. It says size 9.5, $198. These are great quality shoes, number one. This like leather part is like that good leather, like the good soft leather. However, I couldn't get them on. I think they're too small. I think I just need a size bigger. Let me try again, like while I'm sitting here. Let's see if I can get my foot in it. Because I had some problems when I tried to get my foot in it. Like, I'm not trying to ruin them because they're $200 shoes. Yeah, I can't get my foot in it. Maybe I just like, I don't know. Anyway. Alright, so there's those. They're definitely different, that's for sure. So I added everything up in this box and the total is over $1,400. Now you do get your $25 like styling fee credited toward whatever you keep, but Trunk Club doesn't do a percentage off. You know, like with the other boxes, you'll get 25% off if you keep sometimes 3 things, but usually you have to keep everything to get that percentage off. Trunk Club doesn't do that. So if I kept everything in this box, I think it was $1,424, which is a little insane. So while I really love the Good American jeans, I just, in my head, I cannot justify $175 right now for a pair of jeans. So I'm going to send them back. I did look on different websites to see if they were cheaper, and they're the exact same price on Good American's website. Nordstrom had Good American brand jeans for the same price, if not more. So the exact jeans are that price online. I wouldn't be paying more for them in Trunk Club. I'd actually get them cheaper because I get the $25 off. So I could get them for $150. Are they the perfect jeans? Absolutely. Like, it hurts me to send them back, but I don't know if I can pay $150 for a pair of jeans. I really liked that cream colored Vince Camuto top also. And I liked the gray, like bubble sleeve sweater type thingy. So my only thing with Trunk Club, and this was my issue months ago when I initially got Trunk Club, is the pricing. It's just a little bit too pricey for me. And I understand that you're getting great quality and the pieces are really great work pieces. But at the same time, my work is outside and I don't anchor all the time, but when I do, I want some good pieces, and I've got some great staple pieces. So I don't know if I need to spend that much money. I'll leave a link to Trunk Club in the description box down below if you're interested in signing up. It's a $25 styling fee. You get a box, try everything on, send back what you don't want. It's the same idea with like D & Co, Stitch Fix, Fashion that I've been getting to. So I think it's worth trying because you can really find some great things. The boots. Now let's talk about the boots. $150, but they're waterproof, which Mobile, it rains a lot. I live in Mobile. So I could get them for $125. They fit perfect. And I don't have a pair of black boots like that. So I may, $150 though? $125 because I could get the $25 off. Ugh. I don't know. Alright, I don't know. That's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what y'all think of this hair color. I'm kind of obsessed with it. This is like the closest to my natural hair color. See, like, obviously my natural is right here. So, I don't know. I just think the short is throwing me off a little bit because I prefer my hair to be a little longer, but I knew I needed to cut all that off. Okay, alright, that's a wrap on this video. I've already said it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.